All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're looking at something that feels like it's straight out of science fiction, a brand new workflow that uses AI to create videos. I'm talking everything from simple graphics to a fully automated news segment. This is pretty wild. So, the guy who pioneered this workflow, Carter Sura, he kicks things off with a pretty bold question, right? Is it time to fire your video editor? Now look, that's a huge claim, but stick with me because the tech we're about to break down might actually have you asking that same question. So what exactly is this thing? Well, it's a process that mashes together the power of Anthropic's AI Claude with a video platform called HeyGen. And get this, together they can take one single detailed text prompt and spit out a finished video. We're going to look at this in two parts. First, how it works as a sort of creative assistant, and then as a full-blown automated producer. Okay, first up, AI-powered motion graphics. The source material calls this the crawl phase, like crawl, walk, run, and it's being framed as a massive quality of life upgrade for anybody who makes videos. Just imagine this for a second. You need a cool title card, or maybe a lower third with someone's name, or even a custom transition. Instead of spending hours fiddling around in After Effects, you just write a sentence to Claude. And just like that, the AI generates the code for those animated graphics. And the actual workflow is shockingly straightforward. You just prompt Claude to create what you want on a green screen, it spits out a file, you render it, and then you just drop it right into your video editing timeline. A quick click to remove the green, and boom, you've got custom motion graphics ready to go. And that right there really shows you the immediate value. Carter Sura himself calls it a huge quality of life improvement. See, this part isn't about replacing the editor. It's about freeing them up from all those tedious, time-sucking tasks. So making graphics is one thing. Super helpful, for sure. But here's where it starts to get a little nuts. What if the AI didn't just make your graphics? What if it wrote the script, presented the info, and edited the whole thing together for you? So let's level up. We're moving into full automation now. And this is all made possible by a tool called HeyGen for Agents. This is where we make the jump from AI as a helpful assistant to AI as the actual creator. Okay, so what is HeyGen for Agents? Think of it like a new skill you can teach an AI like Claude. It gives the AI permission to reach into the HeyGen platform, generate a video with a digital avatar, write a script that actually sounds good, and then deliver the final product. And the craziest part, it all starts from a single conversation. To kick the whole thing off, you write what you could call a master prompt. It's kind of like a recipe. You tell the agent, okay, use the HeyGen tool. You give it an API key, which is like a password. You tell it which digital person to use as the presenter. And then you give it the main job, something like, make me a 1-minute news video about AI. And you even tell it to pull in those motion graphics we made earlier. And once you hit send on that prompt, the AI gets to work. It's got a whole to-do list. First, it goes and researches the latest news. Then it writes a script that sounds like a human, not a robot. It grabs those graphics we made, digitally removes the green screen, and then renders the entire video. It's literally an end-to-end production pipeline in a box. So that's the theory. That's how it's supposed to work. But what does the final video actually look and feel like? Let's take a closer look at the news segment this process created. And there you have it. A complete news segment hosted by an AI avatar reporting on real-world news, and it's even got our custom titles and graphics. But with any new tech, the real question is always the same. Is it any good? Let's break down the pros and cons.
So the verdict here is actually really interesting. On the one hand, a lot of it worked surprisingly well. The script quality was excellent, the news it researched was current and totally accurate, the pacing felt natural, and even the avatar's hand gestures were pretty realistic. But the visuals of the avatar itself were the big weak spot. The creator said it looked a bit off and synthetic. It just didn't have the same high-quality look as the original avatar that was fed into the system.
But hang on, while that avatar might need a little more time in the oven, let's not miss the forest for the trees here. The technology behind all this, the AI agent that's juggling all these complex tasks, is already hitting a 92% success rate. That number tells you just how reliable and capable these systems are becoming and how fast it's all happening. So, you put all this together, and you have to ask the big question. What does this mean for the future of making videos, for content creation in general? You know, the really mind-blowing takeaway here is just the sheer speed of it all. We literally just went from seeing AI as a helpful little assistant that makes graphics to a full-on system that can research, write, present, and produce a whole video by itself. That isn't a small step. It's a giant leap. And that brings us to the final and maybe most important question. This tech isn't just getting a little better each year. It's improving exponentially. That synthetic look we see today could be completely photorealistic by tomorrow. So the real question isn't if this is going to change everything. It's how are we all, creators, editors, viewers, going to adapt when it does?